Now the wrist movement, 10 each, opposite direction. Now waist, opposite. Next is you have to bend forwards. Keep your knee straight. Try to touch your toe, but keep your knee straight. Now backwards. Try to hold for at least 10 seconds. Next is ankle rotation. First leg, reverse. Next leg, reverse. Now we'll do 20 jumping jacks. Okay? Let's do 20 high knees. So warm up done. I'll set the timer. So there are 9 workouts that we are going to do today. I'll just show one each. So there are few things which you have to do with one leg. So there is a halfway reminder. So cases where there are one leg is to be used. After halfway mark, we should use the second leg. So first we are going to do Bulgarian split squats, right? So if you have a chair or a sofa nearby, keep one leg on the chair or sofa, and then we have to do squats, right? So here when you get a halfway mark, change your leg and then do remaining you do with the other leg. So if you are able to continue, then what we can do is in the another last 2 sets, we can do one set with whole right leg, another set with whole left leg. Next is hollow rock. Hollow rock mein you have to sleep completely. Take your legs and hands like a boat position, and you have to do this. ठीक है? समझ में आया? Hollow rock. Next is double dip squat. So here, this is the normal squat, but you have to do double dips. So you have to go down, come up, go down, again up. 1, 2, up, down, 1, 2, up. This is double dip squats. समझ में आया? Thumbs up if everything is okay. Now marching glute bridge. So this is glute bridge, right? So marching glute bridge mein you have to go to the glute bridge position and then do marching. समझ आया? Done. Next is donkey kicks. So basically you have to go to this position. 1, 2, 3, 4. वैसे करना है. Halfway mark आया. So change your leg and do it with another leg. Done. Next one is single leg glute bridge. Again, same. This is how we do glute bridges, right? In single leg glute bridge, you have to do one leg like this, and then similarly again at halfway mark we'll change the leg. Okay? In the first set. Then second and third set we can decide if you have to do one leg, pura 30 seconds on one leg and another 30 seconds on other leg. Next is plank jacks. जैसे jumping jack होता है वैसे ही plank jack करना है. You have to go to the plank position and do jumping jacks. समझ में आया? Next is sit up with twists. So normally हम ऐसे sit up करते हैं. Here you have to do sit up with twists. Done. And then lateral plank walks, where you will go on the plank position and then do a walk. Done. कोई पोजीशन है जिसमें कोई वर्कआउट है जो अलग फिर से बताना है तो बता दो मुझे. Anyone which you have not understood? All good?
Yes.
Yes.
Done. So we will start the first one. We will have 15 seconds break because we are doing 9 at one go. So we'll take 15 seconds break between the two workouts. ठीक है? चलो, let's get started. I'm muting everyone so you can hear the timer at my end. Yeah.
Get ready.
First one is Bulgarian split squats.
3, 2, 1.
Start.
Let's squat.
काय करायचं?
That's halfway.
Change your legs.
ठीक आहे. ते खूप खालती तरी पण मी इकडे जातो ना.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
Now you do not need the chair for the remaining ones. Next one is hollow rock. Get to the sleeping position.
3, 2, 1. Hollow rock. That's halfway. Three, 2, 1. Rest.
Next one is a double dip squat, which you have to do standing.
3, 2, 1. Double dip squat.
So we go down, second, up. 1, 2, up. 1, 2, up.
That's halfway.
Go full down, थोड़ा ऊपर, फिर से ऊपर.
Three, 2, 1. Rest.
Next one is marching glute bridge. So go to the sleeping position. You have to hold the glute bridge position
3,
and then do marching.
1. Marching glute bridge. That's halfway. Three, two, one. Rest.
Next is donkey kicks. Here, after 50 seconds, 15 seconds, we'll change the leg.
2, 1. Donkey kicks. That's halfway.
Change your leg. Take it as high as possible.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
While doing this, hold your core and squeeze your butts. Next is single leg glute bridge.
1. Single leg glute bridge.
One leg up and then go up, down. Hold for a second.
That's halfway.
Change your leg.
Three, two, one. Rest.
Next is plank jacks.
3, 2, 1. Plank jacks.
Planks position and then jumping jacks. Hold your core.
That's halfway. Three, two, one. Rest.
Next is sit-ups and twists.
3, 2, 1. Sit-ups to twist. That's halfway. Three, two, one. Rest.
And the last one, lateral plank walks.
3, 2, 1. Lateral plank walks.
हाथ और पैर एक साथ मूव होना चाहिए.
That's halfway. Three, two, one. Rest.
में हाथ और लेग एक साथ नहीं जाता है.
अरे एक साथ मतलब एक हाथ और एक लेग. You are on this position. Take this. लेफ्ट हैंड लेफ्ट लेग एक साथ मूव होना चाहिए. हाथ और पैर एक साथ. हाँ. Yes. 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 तो अगला वाला सेट पूरा एक लेग के साथ करना है या सिंगल लेग वाला ऑल्टरनेट करना है 15 सेकंड्स में? पूरा एक लेग
ऑल्टरनेट
फुल ऑल्टरनेट. तो अगर ऑल्टरनेट करना है तो ऑल्टरनेट करो, या तो एक लेग लो और एक लेग में पूरा कंटिन्यू करो. I'll give you a call when the halfway mark is through. You want to do 15 plus 15.
Okay.
Another 10 seconds and then we go again. Putting everyone on mute. First one is Bulgarian squat.
1. Bulgarian split squat. That's halfway.
People want to change the leg, can change your leg now.
Three, two, one. Rest. Three, two, one.
Hollow rock.
That's halfway. Three, two, one. Rest.
पानी सिप करना है, पानी सिप कर सकते हो, ज्यादा मत पीना. Double dip squat.
3, 2, 1. Double dip squat. That's halfway. Three, two, one. Rest.
Next is marching glute bridge. Go to the glute bridge position and then do march. Hold the glute bridge.
Three, two, one. Marching glute bridge. That's halfway. Three, two, one. Rest.
Next is donkey kicks.
Three, two, one. Donkey kicks. That's halfway.
People want to change their leg, can change the leg now.
Three, two, one. Rest.
Next is single leg glute bridge.
Three, two, one. Single leg glute bridge.
Go slow and try to hold for a second.
That's halfway.
People want to change the leg, can change the leg now.
Three, two, one. Rest.
Next is plank jacks.
Plank jacks.
High plank and plank jacks.
That's halfway. Three, two, one. Rest.
Next is sit up to twist.
3, 2, 1. Sit ups to twist. That's halfway. Three, two, one. Rest.
Next is lateral plank walks.
2, 1. Lateral plank walks. That's halfway. Three, two, one. Rest.
पानी पी लो, पानी पी लो. अभी जिसने एक ही लेग के साथ किया था, change your leg. If you have done it in right leg, do all the sets with left leg. People who have done after changing in 15 seconds, do that in this set as well. So we'll be completing the minimum sets now. उसके बाद में we'll see whether you want to do one more. Two more. Yogesh is saying two more. Fifteen seconds to go. कल मैंने अटेंड नहीं किया तो एक चेयर वाला घुसाना पड़ा बीच में.
3, 2, 1.
Bulgarian split squat.
That's halfway.
Change your leg if you're rotating your leg.
Three, two, one. Rest. Three,
Hollow rock.
1. Hollow rock. That's halfway. Three, two, one. Rest.
Double dip squat. 5 more seconds.
3, 2, dip squat. That's halfway. Three, two, one. Rest.
Marching glute bridge.
3, 2, 1. Marching glute bridge.
Hold the glute bridge position. Lift as much as possible.
That's halfway. Three, two, one. Rest.
Next is donkey kicks.
3, 2, 1.
Use another leg in
Donkey
this set.
kicks.
जितना होगा उतना ऊपर ले लो.
That's halfway.
Change your leg if you're doing alternating after 15 seconds.
Three, two, one. Rest.
Single leg glute bridge.
3,
Go as slow as possible.
1. Single leg glute bridge.
Hold for a second.
That's halfway. Three, two, one. Rest.
Plank jacks.
3, 2, 1. Plank jacks.
High plank position.
That's halfway. Three, two, one. Rest.
Sit up with twists is the next one.
3, 2, 1. Sit ups to twist. That's halfway. Three, two, one. Rest.
And the last one. Don't wait till 30 seconds.
Three,
Continue.
2.
Last
One.
one.
Lateral plank walks. That's halfway. Three, two,
मजा आया?
यस बहुत मजा आया
हाँ? तेरा पॉज में, म्यूट में शायद।
प्लैंक जैक करता है प्लैंक जैक
हाँ,
तो यहाँ पे इम्पैक्ट नहीं फील होता है
नहीं, because I think we are jumping ना, plank में भी hold. Core normally when you hold, then you feel the pressure. Here where you're jumping, आपको तेरा वो pressure निकल जाता है वहाँ पे. But you should try to hold your core when you do this all this exercise again. Try to hold your core and then do it. So tomorrow we will be having another animal session. So million days. I hope people who attended the last week's animal workout session.
अर्णव खुश होगा अर्णव
अरे अर्णव रोज विचारतो कधी अॅनिमल आहे कधी अॅनिमल येणार आहे त्याने मिलियन परांजपेचं नावच अॅनिमल परांजपे ठेवलंय
So Milin is planning for it for tomorrow.
व्हेरी गुड
Hello.
हॅलो
अजून एक? One
काय
more?
वास वास
नाही आहे ना एक
तुझी पाहिजे का अमोल?
नाही नको
हे अजून एक सेट अमोल अजून काहीतरी
Carry on, तुम्ही carry on.
आज त्याला पुशअप मारता मिळाले नाही मध्ये.
थँक्यू.
Pull down.
चलो कूल डाऊन
Contraction position. And breathe normally. Next is Bhujangasana or Cobra pose. So go like this and push only till your waist. Try to push back. Sit, hold your arms near your body, not far off. Done. Next, stand up and body hanging position. Try to loosen up your body. Keep your knees straight. Next, the shoulder stretches. Hold. Now, above your next stand. Over your body. Now, twist your legs. If you're taking your right leg above your left leg, over your left leg, then move on the right side. You should get a stretch on your RTV. Next side. Again, left leg over right side, right leg, and then move towards your left side. Now, hold your arms like this and come for the photo. Ready?
Ready?
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Sorry.
Thank you, Suraj.
मेरा ही hang हो गया था.
Yes.
Another photo. Thank you guys for joining.
Yes, thank
See you tomorrow.
Thank you. Bye.
Nice.
Bye.
Good night.
Good night, guys. Good night.
Thanks, Suraj. Bye.